Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play with friends in Candy Crush Saga. First, ensure your game is linked to your Facebook account. This connection unlocks all the social features, allowing you to interact with your friends directly within the game. You can easily send and receive extra lives, which is super helpful for those tricky levels. Plus, you'll see their progress on the map and compete for top scores. Sending and receiving lives is a core part of playing with friends. Simply tap the heart icon at the top of your screen to access your lives menu. From there, you can send lives to any friend who has requested them or accept lives that your friends have sent to you. Remember, you can send one life to each friend every 24 hours, helping everyone keep crushing those candies. Competing on leaderboards adds a fun, competitive edge to your game. On each level, you'll see your friends' scores displayed, allowing you to compare your progress. Strive for the highest score to climb to the top of the leaderboard and show off your skills. It's a great way to challenge your friends and see who can master the most levels with impressive scores. Beyond lives, you can also request other forms of help and gifts from your friends. If you're stuck on a particularly tough level, don't hesitate to ask for extra moves or boosters. Your friends can send these helpful items directly to you, making your game much easier. Utilize the in-game messaging system to communicate your needs and keep the fun going.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.